Hi guys, in this class day 14 what we will learn, we will discuss about a type conversion in the Python. So this is a outline for this chapter for this day 14, type conversion in the Python. This is a main heading in this day 14. So different topic we will discuss in this day. So first of all we will discuss type method. This is a method to find type of data. There are different types of data. You can find which type of data you are using in your program. So there is a technique I will share with you. And there is a type conversion. Type conversion means you can convert one type of data to another type. Implicit and explicit, these are two type conversion methods. And implicit example, explicit example, and I will share an example how you can concatenate a string with number and whether you will get error or not. If you get error, how you can solve this error. So these are different topics I will discuss with you in the day 14. So in the next class you will learn about a type method, how you can find any type of data in the Python program.